Hi sweeties, it's Tori and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. And I would love to have you be a part of my YouTube family. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button and go over and click that notification button so that way you're notified every time I upload a video. Yes, so today what I wanted to talk to you about is how to get free products, Influenster Vox boxes. I actually received my first Vox box in October, a few months ago. And ever since then, I've been actually on the site figuring out what to do to get my next Vox box. And I absolutely received it. Here it is. So we're gonna unbox it today. I wanted to come and go over all the steps I went through to get a Vox box and get free products. Why don't you want free products? Who doesn't want free products? So I'm going to teach you step by step of what I've done in the past 2 months to receive my second Vox box. So first, what I wanted to go over, homepage. And then what it is you have your impact score. So let's talk about your impact score. Your impact score is where you score far as the number you're receiving on the site. So you earn points and you score. The higher your impact score, the higher you have a chance of getting a Vox box. My impact score is 3,683. That's my impact score now. And I'll tell you what I've done to do that. So I linked my social medias and plus I stay active on the site. I have 7 badges. As of now, I do all of the Vox boxes that they send me. They do send you both the Vox boxes and virtual ones. So like I had the one to do the birthday gift from Sephora, which was the Carterly set that I actually showed you guys on a previous video, and I'll link that below. I do a few other ones where you take pictures or do your favorite item that you're crushing on, and I did that and posted that on social media, so you earn points towards that. And you earn points and it impacts your score, and then you earn badges. So at this point, at first I was a level 1. Now I'm level 2 beauty junkie. I've been doing reviews as well. So you review your products that you've already been using. So like makeup. Once you get on there and you sign up, you go ahead and set up area you want to focus in with, whether it's beauty, whether it's home care, whether it's household items, you can focus in on those areas. And that's what your Vox boxes will be set to send to you, which is great. Be patient with the site and make sure you go on, you do all of your snaps. You go into the discussion section and you answer questions or you ask a question. So there'll be questions like, what is your favorite setting spray? And then you can answer that. Or every time you do a discussion, you earn points towards that. I think it's 1 or 2 points. It may be more, depends on how many you do. At this point, I did 57 reviews and I have 87 discussions, which I go on just a couple of times a week and go in and do a discussion of that. And that's what earned me my Tinsel VoxBox. Want to know if this product is good and you can look at the reviews, you can go in the store, scan it, and then the reviews will pop up. Now they have the new year, new hair, so you can take a picture of your new hairstyle. If you change your hairstyles, you know, honey, I have lots of hairstyles. So yes, I will be doing that with another style. So they have different ways to communicate, which is very great. I absolutely been enjoying it, answering questions and doing reviews on what I feel about each product. So they'll say, oh, you're in a line for the next Vox box, and then you take the quiz. If it actually fits what they're looking for if they're giving out, like if it's beauty products, that's me, I will probably get that Vox box. It was a few of them. I think I did 4 and I only received 2 boxes, and which is fine because you're not going to get all of the boxes. All of them won't cater to you and your likes, and that's good because it gives you a wide range. Only the ones that best fit you want to receive because you want to enjoy the products and use them. If it's something you don't really care for, you're not going to use it. So they want to send you things you're going to use. I have like 3 more weeks on the Tinsel box, but I love receiving gifts, so I'm opening it and getting it done and go through each of it now. I will link the Influencer site below. And I will also link my video to the first Influencer Vox box that I received below. So that way you can see about the time I've been on doing it. It's been about 2 to 3 months and focusing in on how to get more Vox boxes. So those tips should help you. Let me know if you receive Vox boxes and if you have any other tips. As you see with what I've been doing, just the reviews and the discussions, I received my second Vox box. So I'm very happy with what the work I've been putting in and what I received. Be active on the site. I think that's the most important, and then you will be subject to get more Vox boxes. So this is the tips I have. Try them and let me know how it works. Go ahead and click the influencer, go onto it, sign up, take the snaps, for me, take the questionnaire so that way they can design the boxes that's best for you to whatever fits you. Get to the part of my unboxing. And it says, it's yours, share it with the world. And then it has Influencer. So we're gonna unbox this, yay! All right, so I just unboxed it and here we go. So you can see what I see. Yay! Oh, it has some good stuff up in here. So we're gonna go through each product together. So first, the one for the dog toys. Oh my goodness, this is so cute. So I don't have a dog, but I do know someone that has a dog and I will actually give this to them. So this is so cute, and this is like, it's like a latte cup. It's really cute and it says small PSL, and it's cute and it has the dog there. Dog toy, yep, it's boxshop.com. So if you have animals or you have a dog, here you go. You can check them out and get some toys for your dog. And oh, that's really cute. I love that. So yes, that's one item. I don't have a dog, but I wish I did just because of this reason. But I'll give this to someone that do have a dog. Next up, oh cool, Choco peel off. So this is a face Choco peel off. This is cleanser and the detoxifying. So you put it on, you lather up, and then you peel it off. And this is from 7 Heaven, Choco peel off. Cleaning and detoxing. Easy peel mask. So this is not one of them hard peel ones. These are easy peel. And I love face masks. So, you know, girl is going to use this. So, yeah. We're going to try this out. I love face masks anyway. So, yeah, that's one of this. We have the Freshen Up Dry Shampoo. There. And then we have the Forget Me Nots Dry Conditioner. Go. Hold on. Yeah, it smells so good. And then the conditioner. Yeah. Lightweight. This is a lightweight conditioning, detangling, soft and shine for all types of hair. I'm definitely going to use this. I always find the dry shampoos, but conditioner, first time for that. Love it. And then freshen up with the shampoo. So dry conditioner, dry shampoo. Yes. Stop. All right, so this is Gold Bond Radiate Renewal Hydrant Cream. And this has coconut oil, cocoa butter, African shea butter. The 3 wonderful products put together. That is going to be the bomb. I know I'm going to absolutely use this. Exfoliate and nourish visible dry skin. And this is the perfect time for this, because you know the winter time when it gets all cold, that you have your dry skin, and this will work good. Yes, I'm excited about this cream. Radiant Renewal Gold Bond. What more can I say? 24-hour moisturizer. Yes. Gold Bond. Yes. I can't wait to try that out. Oh, they really did good with this box. And let's go with this. Pout Maker Lip Contouring Crayon. Ooh, I love lip contouring crayon. And here's the container here. And let's go ahead and open it. This is called Queen Bee. Ooh, okay. Look at the container here. And it says Pout Maker. And it has the lips with the wings on it. You guys, that is super cute. Look at that. Of course, of course. And then the tip here. Let's go ahead and swatch and see. Okay. Yeah. And that will go good with the lipstick I'm wearing today. I will try this out. This is Lip Contouring Crayon. And this is from Pout Maker. The last products in the box are my favorite. Perfume. You guys, I've been actually on this love of perfume tip lately. Let's see what they sent me. This is Vera Wang Embrace. And let's take it out and try it. It comes in the sample container here. And let me see. I haven't tried this one. Oh, it smells good. Oh, I love that. That is a great smell. So it's a floral smell. So this is a fresh floral fragrance blended with the comfort of pearl blossom and an earthly crisp of green tea with notes of frisca and sandalwood floral scent. So yes, a girl loves that. I will be using it. And then they also sent the Nautica. They sent Nautica Blue Sail. And this one is a toilet spray. Is this for? This is for men. So I will be giving this one to my son. He's starting to get into it. He can spray that out. Let me see. I don't want to, yeah, I gotta test it. I'll do it, see if it's too strong for him. I'll spray a little bit on here just to. Okay. Oh, that smells good. Okay, so Nautica Blue Sail is not too strong. Yeah. So yeah. Okay, so I'll give this to my son. They did send coupons. Yes. Let's go over them. So this is Hot Look. And this is a Nordstrom's company. You can see that there. And they gave $10 off a $50 purchase. So like I said, they do send you coupons like this. And you get email free shipping with an order over $100, 90-day return policy. Turn to Nordstrom store. So if you're returning it. And you can use this online or in the store. And then they have, Christmas cookie wreaths. And then they give you instructions on how to make those. And then they have, hold on a second. Because I use this Country Crock buttery sticks. This is free. Maximum of $3.50. Oh yeah, I use that. So of course, go redeem this coupon. Because I use Country Crock buttery sticks. Okay. And then this is information for your first time. And this is when you order from P.O.Box. And then this is a double holiday joy. And they give you like toys. So this is like a subscription. And they give you up to $80 value if you have a dog. That's cool. Only for $19 and you get all of those goodies. Oh, and look at the cute dog there. He is adorable. Okay, so here is Eva NYC. This is the new mini healthy heat tubes. Oh, so they have a whole product of it and it's $3 off. So they have the little styling kits there. They have the shampoo, dry shampoo and conditioner. So I will be checking them out. And they are $3 off and they are at CVS Urban Outfitters, Ulta, Forever 21, Target, and Face Value. So they at all those stores. And here is it. So coupons. Yay. And then here's the Tinsel VoxBox. So this is the one I received here. And then they give you information on the Vera Wang Embrace and then how much the regular prices are of these if you buy the regular price. I absolutely like the Vera Wang and it's like $30. So I might check into those. Start this. Log into your influencer profile. Scan the code and then start your review. So I would do my reviews and post everything on the Tinsel box. So yes, I absolutely love it. I will link the influencer website below. That way you can go and sign up. So I want to thank you guys for watching and I'll see you on the next video. Bye.